Hello, I'm on a 2011 Toyota Prius, and today I'm going to show you to change your language for your interface between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure your vehicle is powered on, which this currently is, and then we'll go to Setup, and then from here we'll do, Setup, and then General, and then here Language on top, and then here there's English, French, or Spanish. Let's say we want Spanish. That's it. It auto-saved for you. So now from whichever screen, let's get back to Setup, General. Switch it back to English because I speak English. And then from here, the idioma, and then we want English, and then save. But that's it. I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.